Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about arithmetic operators. So what is operators? Operators are just symbols that is used to perform operations on numbers, especially on numbers. So first of all we will learn about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used on numbers to perform mathematical operations such as addition and subtraction and multiplication. So in Python, in programming, asterisk symbol is used for multiplication, not the X symbol. X alphabet is not used for multiplication, but asterisk symbol is used for multiplication in programming and division. And there is another that is modulus. So these are arithmetic operators used to perform mathematical operations on numbers. So first of all, let's create a numbers variables, that is number 1, 20, number 2, 5, 7, and create another variable that will be answer. So first of all we will use addition. So for addition we will use 2 or 3 numbers and between the numbers we will use arithmetic operator or arithmetic addition symbol. So that is addition symbol. So we will print the result of answer, print the result of operations. So it will add the number 1, value of number 1 variable and value of number 2 variable, and put the value in the answer variable, and we will print this. So it will show 27. So addition operator used to add 2 or 3 numbers as you want, and there is a subtraction operator. Now it will subtract number 2 from number 1, means it will subtract 7 from 20. So let's run this. So it's showing 30 because number 2, it means 7 is subtracted from 20. So now let's do multiplication. So as I told you, asterisk symbol is used for multiplication. Let's run this. So it will multiply number 1 and number 2. So value of number 1 and value of number 2. So it will multiply 20 and 7. So let's run this. So it's showing that is 140. So the result is 140 and it's correct. So the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now division. So let's run this. We will use division. So it will divide number 2 with number 1. So let's run this. So it's showing number. So when we do division, its answer mostly comes in a floating number or a decimal number. So it's showing in a decimal. So you can also use typecasting, that is into typecasting, to print the value in an integer. So it will print 2. So these we have learned in previous videos. So let's leave this. So there is another, that is modulus. So we will write number 1 in the modulus symbol and number 2. So it will show the result, that is 6. So when we do modulus of number 1, number 2, its answer will be 6. And there is another, that is double steric. So it is used for powers. So it will give you the result of power. So it is showing the result. So if I do this, it will show the 8. So it will do 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So it will divide 2 for 3 times. So if I write 5, then it will not divide, it will multiply. It will multiply 2 for 5 times. 2. So let's run this. The answer is 32. So these are arithmetic operators that are used in Python programming. So that's all for today. We will learn more about in next videos.